Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the 10 pieces of clothing you need to start your winter capsule wardrobe. If you're anything like me, you want to just throw everything away and start fresh. 2024, new me, new wardrobe, then this is the video for you. So today we're going to be talking about the 10 clothing pieces that you need for your winter capsule wardrobe. With that being said, I have my phone and my little notes on there, so you'll see me referring back and forth. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the 10 pieces of clothing you need to start your capsule winter wardrobe. So let's just get straight into it. The first clothing item is an oversized sweater. So that can look like a cardigan, a long cardigan, an oversized button-up cardigan, or an oversized sweater that has a zip of some sort. Just something that you can throw on so that you can layer pieces underneath, like shirts and t-shirts and tank tops and things of such during the winter time. Great piece to have, especially as the climate fluctuates in Canada, at least up and down. You want something you can just bring with you around and cover up in case you get cold. So that's the first item. So the second item, if you are a Canadian girly and you love to shop at Aritzia, you already know what I'm gonna say. The second item is a puffer jacket. So I personally love Aritzia's puffer jacket. This video is no way endorsed or anything like that, or sponsored. It is just my love for puffer jackets from Aritzia. But if you can't get it from Aritzia, that's totally fine. Other locations have puffer jackets too. They're warm, kind of chic, and you can wear it with a lot of things. You can dress it up and dress it down, and you're guaranteed to feel warm. This year I got a cream puffer jacket from Aritzia, and that has been my favorite. I wear it almost everywhere and it's super comfortable. I can dress it up and dress it down. The difference in the puffer jacket can be the length. So if you are a shorter person, you buy a shorter puffer jacket so you have that longer silhouette with your legs. If you're a taller person, you can really rock the long puffer jacket as well. So yeah, puffer jacket is number 2 on the list. Number 3 on the list is mock neck and or turtleneck. Those pieces are awesome for layering. Again, like if you have your number 1 item, which is the oversized cardigan and a mock neck sort of sweater or a t-shirt, it would be so cute for layering. You have a little bit of a nice layer. Your neck is sort of elongated with the collar of your mock neck or turtleneck, and great piece to have. Black and white would be my first suggestion in your capsule wardrobe, because those are the sort of foundational shades that you can have to layer, and they match with almost anything in your closet. Next item might bring up a little bit of a debate, but I stand by them, especially with being a little shorty. Having the high-waisted jeans is something. I still love the high-waisted, but I'm not going for the skinny jeans. Skinny jeans is not where it's at in 2024, so we can donate those, give those away, sell them, whatever you need to do to get rid of them out of your closet. But high-waisted baggy jeans is number 4 on the list, and I think it's a great way to sort of accessorize. I'm going to be going with a dark high-waisted denim, and that's going to be one of the staple pieces. I'm going to shop at a more higher price range store to buy them, so I can ensure that it's good quality, fits properly, and I like a high-waisted with a little bit of a stretch so that I can fit comfortably as my body grows wider and smaller depending on the time of the month. It's a great way and a great item to have in your wardrobe capsule wardrobe. It's a good item to have in your winter capsule wardrobe. I'm pretty sure you already have it in your closet, and if you don't, what are you waiting for? Cue up that laptop or head to the mall right now. And the next item, which is going to be the 6th item, just have to keep track of these guys. 6th item. So the 6th item is going to be boots. And for this season and for this year, I think the trendiest type of boot is going to be a nice, just above the ankle boot right there. Super flattering. You can wear with so much things. I have one personally and I am obsessed with it. Wait, let me grab it for you so I can show you. So this is the boots that I have this year that I'm wearing for winter. It's a part of my winter capsule wardrobe, and I absolutely love it. You can wear it with so many items. It's stylish, it's very comfortable. I got this boot from Spring, but you can try Aldo, and pretty much anywhere has this basic boot staple piece, and highly recommend having one of these in your wardrobe. If it's not black, I would suggest a dark brown or a cream, depending on the colors that you have in your wardrobe already or that you're trying to build in your capsule wardrobe. Just make sure that it's a color that can match with absolutely anything. So this next item is something that I love for 2024, and I think is essential to building your capsule wardrobe, especially in the winter. If you're a girl that likes to go out to restaurants and, you know, be about the town but also look very chic and cute, and that is a knit dress. So sometimes they call it like sweater dress, knit sweater dress. I prefer the knit, and I prefer the knit to be chunky, baby. Make that knit chunky. I think that it is great for layering, a great way to stay warm in this cold winter that we have in Canada, and probably in other countries if you're watching elsewhere. Comment below what other country you're from. I'd like to see who my audience is and who I'm talking to. Yeah, but a knit sweater dress, super cute. They come in so many colors. I personally would go with something that is very neutral, like a light brown, depending on your skin complexion and what can really sort of be subtle but classy, and that you can wear with a lot of different items. So this next item I personally don't have in my closet right now because I kind of got rid of the last one that I had, and so number 7 on the list is going to be blanket scarf. Many of you, if you're again, I'm going to name Aritzia. If you're Aritzia shoppers, you know that they have blanket scarves all the time. I sort of saw Aritzia be the blanket scarf trendsetter, and yeah, blanket scarf, I would go for a cream. If you're looking for high end, I really like the Burberry scarf. I think you can match that with anything. It's a timeless piece, very classic, and it has been in style for a very long time and reasonably priced. Or if not, then I would go for a good quality, high quality, comfortable blanket scarf that is in a neutral tone. So you're brown, black, white, cream, not white, but cream, something along that lines. You can layer it with your other items such as the knit dress. I think that would be a cute combo with some statement earrings. Yeah, so blanket scarf is number 7 on the list, and I think is a great piece to have in your winter capsule wardrobe. Back in trend, and it's exciting to see because I love the colors that it comes in, and the materials and fabric and patterns. The 8th item is going to be a beanie or a beret. So I think berets are coming back with a vengeance, and I love a red beret. Red berets just stand out so beautifully. Any skin tone, any size, just absolutely beautiful. I don't know what I'm saying, but beret, the red beret is where it's at. Absolutely beautiful, and I think it's a great way of tying all your winter capsule wardrobe items in. I would get it in a few colors, maybe like a black, brown, and a red, some neutral tones, and then a color that pops depending on the other colors that you're wearing. Leather jackets. In my closet it's pleather because I don't really support the use of leather. Everything that I have that appears to be leather is pleather, but yeah, get yourself a leather pleather jacket. They're great staple pieces. You can wear them often, especially if you're dressing up in the winter to go out and you don't want your puffer with you. Nice leather jacket would be great. The trench coat has come back with a vengeance, but what I like about it, at the end of 2023 it came out, and it's more so of a trench coat but in pleather. That, if you can secure one of those for your closet, is absolutely gorgeous. They're beautiful, they're cute, they're fun. You can really layer with it. You can dress it up and dress it down. So number 9 on the list would be a leather or pleather jacket. And last but not least, one of my favorite trends, and it has been in style for many years, and I love that it keeps coming back with different variations. Okay, one second, let me get the glass of water. Parched. So the last number 10 piece that you need to add to your capsule wardrobe is a chunky knit sweater. So I mentioned the cardigan, the oversized cardigan, but this is going to be different. So your chunky knit sweater is going to be something that can just be a sweater, no buttons, nothing like that, just very plain, and you can layer a white shirt underneath it, black shirt, you can wear it alone, like so many different items that you can wear with. It's very warm and cozy, inviting, and you'll find yourself wearing it, dressing it up, dressing it down. It's very comfortable. And for me personally, I would go with a cream colored chunky knit sweater because you can wear so much with it and it's very stylish. I just want to thank you so much for viewing these videos. If you enjoy fashion content and you would like more, subscribe. I post 1 to 2 times a week, and hit that bell notification so you can know when the latest video is up. I hope that you take this advice when building your winter capsule wardrobe and that you will be as stylish and as beautiful as you are in 2024. That's a wrap, and I'll see you next time. Mwah! Bye!